Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. All these pictures I took from my hotel Premier Inn, that's near to Terminal 3, DXB International Airport. Guys, Dubai International Airport is the prime international airport serving Dubai, UAE, and is the world's busiest airport by international passenger traffic. It is also the 19th busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic, one of the busiest cargo airports in the world, the busiest airport for Airbus A380 and Boeing 777 movements, and the airport with the highest average number of passengers per flight. In 2017, DXB handled 88 million passengers and 2.65 million tons of cargo and registered 409,493 aircraft movements. Amazing, fantastic airport view from my room, and it's a hub to the international business community. It's kind of a home for skyscrapers. It's a home to amazing beaches and sizzling weather in winter. In summer, it's hot, but in summer, you enjoy at the beach. Guys, UAE is a home to me, and I grew up over here, and I'm 43 now. 42 years old. In 2022, I will be 43. But really, UAE is an amazing place that needs to be explored. Do visit UAE and do use Dubai Airport. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.